Welcome back to Web API Tutorials. I am Venkat. In this video, let us start writing the role privilege CRUD operations. This is our role privilege controller created in the previous video, and now let us create role privilege creation endpoint. So we have already written creation endpoint in role controller. So let's copy that. And that's the role creation endpoint. So we need to make it for role privilege. So change role DTO to role privilege DTO and role to role privilege repository, and it is a role privilege, and here also role privilege. So all good. Okay, I have copied the creation endpoint from role controller to role privilege controller, and I have modified accordingly to support the role privilege DTO. So now this is role privilege creation endpoint. Okay, so we have modified everything. We need to create the mapper for this role privilege. Let's open the mapper, auto mapper config inside the configurations folder, and here we need to create one for role privilege DTO, role privilege. Okay, mapper also created. Here it is a role privilege. So now mapper also created, and this will copy the data from DTO to role privilege entity class, and here we are creating it, and the results will come here, and we are preparing the response, and we are sending the response out. So this one should be get role privilege by ID. Okay, we are going to create this route in upcoming videos. So role privilege, create role privilege. Create role privilege endpoint completed. Let us run this. Let's go to database. This is our database diagram, and open the tables. And here let's open the role privileges. So there are no records currently, and our web API is running now. Build completed. It is opening the browser. Okay, where is our role privilege? Here is our role privilege. Let us create a role privilege. So to create role privilege, we need role ID. Let us look at the roles first. Execute. So there are roles with IDs 1, 2 and 4. We can use 1, 2 and 4. So this is role privilege creation endpoint. Try it out, and ID not required for creating it, and role ID is 1. Role privilege name is view students. So students viewing privilege required. View students is active true. Okay, let us execute it, and you can see the response is 200, status true. This one is created, ID is 1 and is active true. Let's go to the database and see. So earlier it is empty. Let me execute it again. You can see there is a role privilege created, view students, with a description and role ID 1 and is active. 1 is deleted false and created date modified date. So creation endpoint is working. In the next video, let us create endpoints to retrieve the data and display. For more videos like this, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.